The baby is crying.
The baby is crying.
The students are taking a test.
The students are taking a test.
The teacher is writing on the board.
The teacher is writing on the board.
The doctor is examining the patient.
The doctor is examining the patient.
He is playing video games.
He is playing video games.
You are speaking too fast.
You are speaking too fast.
The airplane is taking off.
The airplane is taking off.
They are enjoying their vacation.
They are enjoying their vacation.
The students are writing in their notebooks.
The students are writing in their notebooks.
Is she washing the dishes carefully?
Is she washing the dishes carefully?
Are you understanding me?
Are you understanding me?
The baby is crawling towards the toy.
The baby is crawling towards the toy.
The rain is stopping.
The rain is stopping.
The sun is shining brightly.
The sun is shining brightly.
I am thinking about my future.
I am thinking about my future.
I am going to the gym.
I am going to the gym.
The dog is wagging its tail.
The dog is wagging its tail.
I am not feeling well today.
I am not feeling well today.
The children are playing hide and seek.
The children are playing hide and seek.
She is drinking a cup of coffee.
She is drinking a cup of coffee.
It is raining outside.
It is raining outside.
The dog is digging a hole in the backyard.
The dog is digging a hole in the backyard.
The waiter is serving food.
The waiter is serving food.
Are you listening to me?
Are you listening to me?
I am reading a book in the library.
I am reading a book in the library.
I am working on my homework.
I am working on my homework.
He is talking on the phone.
He is talking on the phone.
She is taking a shower.
She is taking a shower.
She is cooking dinner in the kitchen.
She is cooking dinner in the kitchen.
It is not raining today.
It is not raining today.
The flowers are blooming in the garden.
The flowers are blooming in the garden.
The children are playing in the park.
The children are playing in the park.
The birds are flying in the sky.
The birds are flying in the sky.
I am not going to school today because I am sick.
I am not going to school today because I am sick.
He is playing the piano.
He is playing the piano.
Are we playing cards?
Are we playing cards?
The cat is sleeping.
The cat is sleeping.
It is getting dark outside because the sun is setting.
It is getting dark outside because the sun is setting.
The teacher is giving a presentation in class.
The teacher is giving a presentation in class.
The wind is blowing strongly.
The wind is blowing strongly.
Am I talking too much?
Am I talking too much?
They are playing cards.
They are playing cards.
Is it getting cold outside?
Is it getting cold outside?
Are you reading a good book?
Are you reading a good book?
Is he playing the guitar well?
Is he playing the guitar well?
The cat is meowing for food.
The cat is meowing for food.
Is it snowing hard?
Is it snowing hard?
He is playing with his toy car.
He is playing with his toy car.
He is riding a bicycle.
He is riding a bicycle.
The train is arriving at the station.
The train is arriving at the station.
The dog is barking.
The dog is barking.
I am waiting for the bus.
I am waiting for the bus.
She is reading a book.
She is reading a book.
The dog is chasing its tail.
The dog is chasing its tail.
She is wearing a blue skirt.
She is wearing a blue skirt.
He is playing chess with his friend.
He is playing chess with his friend.
I am eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast.
They are having a picnic in the park.
They are having a picnic in the park.
I am learning to play the guitar.
I am learning to play the guitar.
They are playing basketball.
They are playing basketball.
The rain is falling heavily.
The rain is falling heavily.
He is playing soccer.
He is playing soccer.
The cat is jumping.
The cat is jumping.
They are dancing at the party.
They are dancing at the party.
Is she watching a scary movie?
Is she watching a scary movie?
I am learning English because I want to travel the world.
I am learning English because I want to travel the world.
She is washing the dishes.
She is washing the dishes.
The teacher is asking questions to the students.
The teacher is asking questions to the students.
She is trying on new clothes.
She is trying on new clothes.
The children are laughing and playing.
The children are laughing and playing.
They are having a barbecue.
They are having a barbecue.
They are sleeping in their beds.
They are sleeping in their beds.
She is painting a picture.
She is painting a picture.
The baby is crawling on the floor.
The baby is crawling on the floor.
The cashier is counting money.
The cashier is counting money.
He is fixing his car.
He is fixing his car.
They are hiking in the mountains.
They are hiking in the mountains.
I am visiting my grandparents.
I am visiting my grandparents.
She is not going to the party because she is sick.
She is not going to the party because she is sick.
He is studying for the exam.
He is studying for the exam.
He is cooking dinner for us.
He is cooking dinner for us.
The construction workers are wearing hard hats.
The construction workers are wearing hard hats.
She is singing a song.
She is singing a song.
The workers are building a house.
The workers are building a house.
The waiter is taking orders from the customers.
The waiter is taking orders from the customers.
She is taking a picture with her camera.
She is taking a picture with her camera.
Are you listening to music?
Are you listening to music?
She is watching a movie on TV.
She is watching a movie on TV.
The chef is cooking in the kitchen.
The chef is cooking in the kitchen.
She is cleaning the windows.
She is cleaning the windows.
Are they swimming in the ocean?
Are they swimming in the ocean?
They are watching a concert.
They are watching a concert.
We are cleaning the house.
We are cleaning the house.
We are going for a walk in the park.
We are going for a walk in the park.
They are swimming in the pool.
They are swimming in the pool.
She is driving a car.
She is driving a car.
They are running in the marathon.
They are running in the marathon.
She is typing on the computer.
She is typing on the computer.
You are talking to your friend.
You are talking to your friend.
He is reading a newspaper.
He is reading a newspaper.